Hello, welcome to just a brief overview of the new technology that I've learned for the last few months. I just acquired Plato Learning Systems for my company Ultimate Math Experience, where I provide a lot of exam preparation workshop and seminars on ASVAB, college entrance exams, and military entrance exams. So this is one of them. So I'm going to log into my account. I'm going to show you from the instructor's view and the student's view. So let's go to the instructor first and just let you know, get a feel for where I had to do a lot of training. And you'll see in my blogs some of my progress I made with the training that I had to go through to even just learn how to navigate the basics. So I'm just going to show you the basics. As you can see here, it comes up on the main screen here. And these are some of the courses that are already created. ASVAB review, SAT prep, and a demo class. And so I can go here and manage my learners from the instructor view. And as you can see, I only have one and as well as a demo student. So we'll look at the demo student there. And here from an instructor's view, I can see the classes that were assigned to this demo student, their grade level, class history, and then I can go over here and look at the class summary, but I'm not going to go there. I want to show you about my fastest way to look at everything as well. So I'm going to go back to the home page here and manage my learners. Go back to this home here, and then here I can get an overview of last login for the demo student and for my other student. Here's a legend, so it's pretty user friendly for you can learn some of the basic menu functions. So I'm gonna go to demo student and I can just get a quick snapshot of the activity of demo student. Here you can see that she worked on some polynomials practice. I look at the date and time, duration. Here, spent 14 minutes on the ASVAB Technology and Science lessons. And then she worked on me, media, and mo. And see, this one has a star here, so that means on my legend, I can see that the module was completed. So the demo student went through all of the components of it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student's view on what you see in the module there. Also, if I find that here there's a green 2, the activity was complete, but on the blue, the polynomials practice demo student is still in progress and hasn't finished up the complete module. But if I find that after I run a report, I find that there's some skills like the polynomial practice that this student didn't do well, I can create a flex assignment too. So up here, go up here, a flex assignment means that you can add additional skills here. And notice I have one assignment I created, so I assign extra practice for this student called polynomials practice. Demo student is halfway there, but hasn't finished everything. So I can go here and see what demo student has completed with this flex assignment. As you can see, she left off on a tutorial. She only spent 14 um, seconds in there, and then she logged back out, and this was back on May 8th. And then I can go in and modify any part of the assignment there. As you can see on the menu there, there's an administration center. You can track the grades as well. And so I can go through and monitor progress from any of my students. Then if I wanted to add more curriculum, I can go here in the menu. But let me show you on the student side because I think that would be just as interesting here. So let's sign out of the instructor view, and I'm going to go into the student view. And you can see actually what the students do. So here's their home page, the demo students home page, and there's some active assignments here where you remember that yellow star, the mean, median, and mode mastery test was completed. Then I can go ahead and continue as a student. since I didn't finish this, I can go in, continue the tutorial, which is, I think it's okay, but I think it should be a little bit more interactive for students. This has a little video
Time
there,
to use what you know to
but
subtract polynomials. Let's get started.
so I can practice. Here's a practice problem. And then as I go, I can
Time
press
to
play,
use what you know to subtract In this activity, you will study
and
how
I
to
go
find the
to
difference of
objective.
polynomials.
So on the tutorial, I'm just advancing on the screen here. And you can see it's kind of quiet,
Remember, one way to add polynomials is to write each polynomial
but
as a sum of terms,
I
then
think there
group
was some
like
gaps
terms and
there.
combine them. Here's an example. You can subtract polynomials in a similar way.
So the tutorial will show it, and then if I get tired of watching this
Next,
tutorial, if I
remember
understand
that
this,
subtracting the second
I can save and exit. I can go back to all of my activities. Now I have an option to either choose the tutorial. Here's my application. Those are the practice problems. And then when I'm ready, I can go to the mastery test. As you can see, I skipped to the mastery test, and Plato will give me some practice problems to see if I understand it. On this mastery test, there's actually 15 slides here, so I have to get 8 correct out of 10 questions. And then I'll go through it here. But I'm not going to take too long because I'm already have 6 minutes of the video. But if you interested, you can feel free to contact me to find out more about Plato um, learning systems. And so as a student, they can go through and check their progress, all their work, just like the instructor's view. You go through the activities. As you can see, SAT prep, these are all assignments. I have 0%, 0%. I haven't started some of the other assignments that were given to me, and then I can choose as a student what's in progress, what's completed, and I can filter through it and then create a report. But that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for taking the time to view my video of my new technology of Plato's systems.